Hello everyone, welcome to our weekly learning series from the book of Peter Drucker. Here we are with week 46 and the title is You Become a Person by Knowing Your Values. Yeah? Let's imagine a situation wherein you have been given an assignment or project to lead, but you don't enjoy that work. Your inner force doesn't gel with those kind of activities. What would be the outcome? There'll be a lot of resistance, there'll be a lot of drain of energy, and ultimately, you may not even be able to complete that project on time or maybe up to those level of expectations. On contrary, if you are given a project or task which you love doing it, you always wanted to do that, and we all know the possible outcomes. Yeah, these are your values which comes to the fore and facilitate your response and actions. Yeah, let's simplify it. Let's talk about a car and think about the head and tail lights, the rear and side mirrors, the windshield and indicators. We all know the importance of these things in the car. Yeah. Likewise, in our life, these are values which create that ecosystem and help us to navigate, guide, and most importantly, enjoy that beautiful scenic journey along the way. Values help you live your purpose by assisting and accelerating on the direction and path you want to explore for yourself. Values help you build your self-esteem by facilitating your own self in the way which is best for yourself. Values help you to build your character, and that's what we look for while employing people or choosing even business and life partner. Values help you to make better decisions by checking whether the available options are in sync with your values. It helps you to gain respect. It brings that stand within you to take even when others don't, and that brings respect. Values help to define your personal or professional goals because values are what we sit inside. It will continually tell you which is right, which is not so good for you. And last but not the least, values help you to enjoy your life. Living your value on daily basis can guarantee that small amount of joy every single day. Yeah. So excited about the power of values and the way it can really transform your life? Let's try finding out your values here, right now. This entire activity would take around 30 minutes of time, but let me get you started. We'll need the paper and pencil, or even you can do it on computer. This discovery exercise would help you to discover what you have been valuing up until in your life today, and most importantly, explore if these values aligns with your future purpose or goal in life. Yeah? So let's get started. Ponder upon a question. What's been the most important for you in your life? Let the thoughts flows. Trust yourself. Don't think much. Whatever those words comes into your mind, write it down or put into the computer. What's that been for you? Has it been security, family, friends, travel, passion, and so on? But most importantly, try reaching to that emotion, that core which triggers that. For example, if you are talking about family, is it that love, that connect, that communication, that fun, that playfulness which you enjoy being with family? So these are your core emotions. And if you have thought about the money or business, is it because it gives you freedom, that security or adventure in your life? So we need to focus here on those emotions. So not the family, but the love or that playfulness, not the business, but that freedom or security. Yeah, so the core emotions. Write it down. You may have reached to those 5-7 points already. And now my next question, which you can do at home. What else been the most important for you in your life? Yeah. What else been the most important for you in your life? Similarly, whatever comes in your mind, pen it down. Let it flow. Don't think much on those perspectives. And do this questioning thing for yourself 5 times. Yeah. And after noting down all those core emotions, yeah, you would see maybe some bucket item of 15-21 words. Try combining some if you feel that these are related. And most importantly, prioritize them as per importance for yourself. Yeah. If you love family, then is it number one or the growth comes to number one for you? But remember, we are talking about the core emotions. Yeah. And these are your values. Yeah. So, identifying your values will solidify their place in your life. And the more you are aware, the more you can stick to them because they act as a lamppost and direct your path. To share my values, these are contributions to society, relationships, love, meaning, and growth. And believe me, these has been that base and internal GPS for my life. So as a way forward, remember, your value is the sum total of your own values. So explore that internal GPS for yourself and set on the journey of your dream for yourself. Yeah. Wishing you all the best. We'll see you in the next week with another Business Weekly Bite. Till then, stay safe, take care, and happy learning.